Okay.
Wearing this body of here at Paco area to solve the problem of the black smoke for this L300. And by the way, I would like to thank Valentos Coffee for keeping me slim and healthy. I've been taking this coffee for 6 months. I'm weighing before 190 pounds, and now I'm 175 pounds, and my waistline is 34, now is 30. So thank you for Valentos Coffee. And now back to Tri-Booster, your saver. The problem of this engine is the black smoke, and they were apprehended by the Hasbro for this smoke belting. And let's see how much black smoke they have in this car. And after installing the Tri-Booster fuel saver, let's see if we can eliminate the black smoke of this L300. Let's see. Pump ko lang pare ah.
Yeah.
You can see there's a lot of black smoke on tailpipe of this L300. 40 engines engine Mitsubishi. And let's see after installation if we can eliminate this black smoke.
Okay,
Before again, this is Baldi Namarov, Tri-Booster So I installed the 2 units of Tri-Booster for this 40 degrees engine, and let's see what happens if we can eliminate the black smoke of this engine, this tailpipe. Kung mas bibilisan niya, may lalabas dyan, pero hindi pa rin naabot na 2.5 pataas. Ano ba ang nasa? 2.5 pataas, bagsak. 2.5 pababa. Dapat mga 1.3 ka lang, 1.0. So, i-test try mo kung totoo na lumakas ang makina mo. Alright? Yan mo lang. Yan, para lang para. Kasi kaya mo ito. Isang ikot lang, isang ikot. Ako ba ito lang mo ng sasakyan?
so, pre,
Dito ko lang, kapag kita ko yung black.
alright. Ay, hindi pala napindot. Wait.
So let's see if the black smoke is gone after installation of this driver side. Wait, dito na pindot.
rolling.
Installation, the black box is gone. So sir, nawala ba yung black box?
Oo, nawala. Satisfied ako.
Okay, thanks so much. And the Lord bless us all.
Thank you, sir.
Sige, test drive mo muna.